In this video, I will show you how you can get started with Kissmetrics, and I will give you my Kissmetrics review. So Kissmetrics is basically a tool that helps you get insight and improve your customer conversion process. So where do you lose most of your potential customers? And based on that information, you can actually improve that process so that you can really improve your conversion rate and drive your revenue growth. At least that is what they claim they can do. So watch until the end of this video to get a better understanding of how you can get started with Kissmetrics and if you should get started with Kissmetrics. So their claim is that you can unlock unlimited revenue potential through simple analytics that track human behavior to increase revenue. So contrary to most tools, Kissmetrics really tracks the human behavior on an individual level. Now the first thing that I would like to talk about is the pricing. So their pricing kind of depends on how many events, so how many visits, how many tracks do you get per month. So this is basically based on the MTU, which is the monthly tracked users, which you can see right here. Now you can see they have some pre-made plans right here, so these are their most popular plans. So for example, in this one, which is $199 per month and billed monthly, you get up to 2 million monthly events. Now if you need a lot less, then you can also build your own plan. For example, if you need 500,000, you can see it will be $90.99 per month, and if you bill yearly, you will save 25%. So that's pretty cool. And you can also do pay as you go, where you pay this per event. So their pre-made plans right here, if you don't have any clue how many monthly events you need, basically the $199 per month silver plan they claim is for small teams. Then the gold one is for medium-sized teams, and then you can get a custom platinum plan for larger teams. So the monthly events is basically the main difference. However, there are some more things that are included in the gold plan that are not included in the silver plan. So first, there is a difference in monthly events, number of seats, and the population. Now in terms of reports, which is the most important part in my opinion, of course on top of how many actual events you can track, but you have the dashboard in each of these. You have populations, the activity report, a funnel report, user search, and a path report. Now from here there are some things that are only included in the silver and platinum plan, and those two things are the revenue report and the cohort report. Then on top of that, in the platinum plan you will get power report, SQL report, and you will even get an A/B test report. Then you have some additional items such as support, data retention, integrations, so you can check that out right here. Now some of their customers, so they are trusted by, is Microsoft, Unbounce, Aweber, Carvana, Dropbox, SendGrid, Lucidchart, so some pretty big companies. And you can see their reviews are pretty amazing, 9.2 stars out of 10 on TrustRadius, and on G2 and Capterra combined 4.5 out of 5 stars. So that's pretty amazing. And the best part is you can actually get started completely for free, and here's how. Down in the description I will leave a link to this specific page where you can actually start your 14-day free trial. So go ahead and click on the first link down in the description to take you to this page right here. Now from here, in order to actually get started using Kissmetrics, enter your name, company name, email address, and password. Then once you click on create account, you will get to this page right here where you can actually get started with your 14-day free trial. So here you have the silver and the gold plan. Now if you click view other plans, you can also choose to build your own plan. So you can choose how many events you want. For example, if I need 500,000 events per month, then I will select that right here. Then you can click continue. Now here you can simply enter your payment details. Now if you're not really sure how many events you need and what plan you should be using, then there is one thing that I recommend you do, and that is to request a demo. So a demo is basically a free call with the Kissmetrics team. So you can see ready to grow your business by 300% with behavioral analytics. Just gonna select a date and time. So for example, I can even do it today, for example at 5 p.m. in my time, and then I can click right there and then click next, and I can actually book a call with the Kissmetrics team. So you can see some more reviews right here if you want to check it out. And to give you my opinion of Kissmetrics, they have a bunch of great reviews, and you can see more of those on their customer stories right here and on external platforms such as G2, Trustpilot, and stuff like that. And you can just try it out for free, and in my opinion you definitely should. I think Kissmetrics is a great tool if you want to increase your conversions and basically increase your revenue. Then I would 100% try out Kissmetrics. Now if you really want to get started, again I will leave a link to the page down in the description where you can start a completely free 14-day free trial. However, if you want to request a demo, then I will also leave a link to that page down in the description. So the first link down in the description will be to the page where you can get started with the 14-day free trial and actually start using it, adding Kissmetrics to your website so that you can actually track it. And the second link will be to the request demo call right here where you can talk to their team and they will help you get started. Now after you do start your free trial with Kissmetrics, Kissmetrics, you will see this right here. So welcome to Kissmetrics. You are just a few steps away from understanding your website activity like never before. So here you can see how you can get started. So first, step number 1, you need to send this snippet either to your developer, or you can just copy this code right here and enter it to your website if you can do it yourself. So you need to copy and paste this snippet into the head tag of each page of your website. So go to your website builder, head over to every single page and go to the head and then add a piece of code, being this right here, and make sure that you add a JavaScript snippet. And step number 2 is once you have installed, you can confirm that data is flowing into Kissmetrics on their live tab right there. And then step number 3, once that is set, you will be ready to start exploring Kissmetrics for yourself. They do recommend scheduling a call with your account rep after setting up so that you can more easily dive into the value of the platform. And I also do recommend doing that. So if you head over to your dashboard right here at the top, you can see all of your analytics and basically your dashboard right here. Then you have your metrics, populations, reports and campaigns. And it's really easy. Just go and add the code to your website, or you can ask your developer to do that if you have a developer, and then you can really start understanding your traffic and make any necessary changes. So this will really help increase your revenue, and it's a great tool. So again, if you want to start your 14-day free trial, click on the first link. If you want to book in a demo call with the Kissmetrics team, completely for free, no strings attached, to just see if it is something for your company and if they can help actually increase your revenue, then you can also do that with the second link down in the description. And to give you my review of Kissmetrics, I really recommend trying it out, especially since you can just try it out for free and it could help you make a lot more money. So that concludes this tutorial and review of Kissmetrics. So now you've got a better understanding of how to get started, how to use, and if you should use Kissmetrics. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.